heard of Tanghulu strawberries? Well, I hadn't until I went to Hong Kong. They're a traditional Chinese street snack made with strawberries. Now, the trick here is getting this sugar up to the right temperature. So we get it to that cracking point, so of 150 degrees. And if you have a sugar thermometer, you really want to use it for this. So in a pot, we're going to add our sugar, just some caster sugar, and some water. You don't need to use the water if you don't like, but I find I have a bit more control over the toffee if I add water. It will evaporate as it turns into a syrup and then bubbles away and turns into that toffee. But while that's happening, we can prepare our strawberries. You want the freshest, most beautiful strawberries, and today I have been spoilt with these beautiful big strawberries. They're plump, they're perfectly ripe. What I want to do is just hull them, which just means we're taking the top off. And I just hate when I see strawberries being cut and so much of that beautiful flesh taken off. So when you're hulling, you just want to use the tip of your knife just to cut around like that. By doing it like this, we're wasting less of the strawberry. So I'll finish making these strawberry skewers and we'll wait for that toffee to come up to temperature. All right, we are at 150, so we're ready to start dipping our strawberries in. So I'll just take that off the heat. And you want to just pop that on an angle as we dip in our strawberries. This is obviously piping hot, so you want to be careful when you do this. And we'll just swirl them in the toffee. Oh, how good does that look? Now we want to carefully just drain that off and then pop that onto a plate. And I'm going to make a few more of these, and you just have to wait a few moments for it to go glass-like, so really crispy. Don't they look fantastic? The crust on it has set, super crunchy. Have a listen to this. It's glass-like. The taste of those beautiful strawberries are going to be accentuated because of that sugar coating. This is a lot of fun. If you've got a soft spot for toffee apples, then Tanghulu strawberries are going to be your new favourite thing. They are delicious.